Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm going to help you guys I just found this new exciting website. It's called Study Pool. So you just have to go straight to Google. You just type it in Study Pool. Then it's going to load up like this. As you all know, guys, on this channel we make money, and we upskill each other so that we can be able to make our lives better. This website is a huge one. When I actually found this one, I was so excited to show it to you guys, because this one, whatever you want to do, man, you can learn something new on this one. It's either you learn how to make some money, or you can learn to upskill yourself to get a little bit of a new profession, man, because whatever you want to learn here, you're going to get it. So let's get on to it and actually see what this website actually does. What it actually does, this website, it gets you to be able to teach people whatever skill that you have, and then you get some money for it. So if you come here to learn, you can come here, you post a question, you wait, somebody answer it, the website paid them. I think you're probably going to use the website for a fee, so that you can be able to post questions for whatever you want to do. And then those little bit of fees that you've been paying, they get to the website, then the website get to distribute that to the teachers. Or you can come here and be a teacher, become a teacher. You see? Once you come here and become a teacher, okay, let's at least see all the subjects that are here. So I'm going to walk you through the website so you can be able to see what you actually can get onto here. So let's see all the subjects here. So I'm sure everything is here. You can get whatever subject is here. There's business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing, health and medical, economics, engineering, computer science, law, foreign language. I mean, you already know English if you're listening to this now. So that means you can get here and teach somebody English, because there's a lot of people that want to learn English, because English, man, is a universal language. Everybody has to be able to speak English so that they can be able to communicate with anyone around the world. So let's come on to business here. Business has about accounting, advertising, biotechnology, broadcasting, business law, business plans, communication, data analysis, all of these. Humanity. Wow, I wouldn't sure if I know anything about these ones, but there's about design, dance, you see, history, religion, philosophy, music, theory, music. Oh, there's mathematics, man, algebra, applied mathematics, arithmetic. I like this one, I was good on this one. Geometry, you see, graphs. I think I'm going to sign up on this one and then actually get some money on this, and probably even show it to you guys how much I made. This is really cool. So guys, I don't want to waste more time for you. The only thing you have to do, you come here, sign up for yourself, be able to log in, get onto the website, and be able to start making some money. My only work I have to do, I go out there, I found you this website, and you come here and you be able to come and do something on it. A lot of people are making money here, man. So it's for you to come do this and be able to do something. Come check the website out and be able to make some money. And my work is done for now. So go sign up here and be able to log in onto the website and see what you can be able to do. And probably I'm going to do the same. And thanks for watching, and that's for me, man. If you like this video, probably just please, you can just subscribe to the channel and probably like this so that other people, they can be able to see it and make some money as well. And thank you. Ciao.